Kibaro-ini kia ndege kia JKIA, family na andu ma nyumba ma andu aria makwiriire mutino-ini wa ndege ya Ethiopia magekinyia mwiboko wao uri kuona matigari ma endo mao muthenya uria makoretwo metereire kwa ibinda ria mieri 7 riu.
Igongona ria umuthi rituma inene riuma ya gutucokaniriria ta families aria othe mateire andu mutino-ini ucio wa ndege.
We'd already done a symbolic burial because you see as our culture also demands, being Africans and Kisses in this particular context, we have to bury somebody. We've done a symbolic one. We are now going to do the actual one.
Mutino-ini ucio uria woragire andu 157 38 mao mari ya Kenya, families igicokeria thirikari cia Kenya na Ethiopia ngatho ni undu wa kumanyitirira ibinda-ini riu.
But we thank God because we are able to go through over it, because this is the last step. We want just to do it and then we put a closure.
Kuona rubonge rwa kui na rwa wiguano wa mabururi makoretwo makinyitanira gutigirira matigari ma miri no ni macoka, thirikari yugite makoretwo makithingatia ndeto eno gutigirira mundu wothe ni iganira.
Some of the Kenyans have dual nationalities and they have been rested elsewhere. We also have a few that were cremated, and so everybody is accounted for.
We condole the families who, as you know, are very, very distressed, but we believe today's event will help them reach closure, which is very important for the future.
When Kenyans mourn, Ethiopian mourn. When Kenyans celebrate, we celebrate. These are one people living in two countries.
Ona gutwika gutire kigina kingi buthika kuriba muoyo wa mundu, riu kiri andu ma family metereire ni ciiraniro cia kambuni ya ndege ya Boeing kuribo ciringi milioni 15 kuri o umwe wale makwiriire mutino-ini ucio. Riu ngoro cia family cia andu aria matereire mioyo yao mutino-ini wa ndege ya Ethiopia no iburuke thutha wa kunengero miri yao kuria riu mibango ya mathiko yambiriirie. Ngeribotera Inooro TV kuma kibaro-ini kia ndege kia JKIA kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Jetagwo Masi, Wadia wa Murithi.